Hey everyone, it's me Alex and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your AirPods. So in this video I'm using my AirPods 3rd generation, and you're also going to need your iPhone to set them back up to your phone. And because it links to your iPhone, it will automatically connect back to your Mac, your iPad, and other devices. And then they will also show up to your Apple TV. So it's really easy and shouldn't take longer than 5 minutes. But before we get started, hi to anyone new here, my name is Alex Torres. I do helpful technology videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to help my channel grow. Thank you. So let's get started with the video. So the first thing, before we even do the factory reset, make sure you open up the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone and forget your AirPods on your iPhone. So go ahead and unlock it. I'm going to go ahead and head to my Bluetooth settings, and then we're going to go ahead and look for your AirPods. So for me, it's Alex's AirPods. I'm going to click on the I button right here, and it's going to show some information like serial number and stuff like that, which I'm going to block. And then we're going to click on Forget Device right here and press on Forget. It's going to ask you, it's going to remove it from your iCloud account, but don't worry, once you reconnect them back to your iPhone, it'll automatically reconnect back to your iCloud account. So we're going to click on Forget Device. There we go. So as you can see, now it's removed. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the case so you can see the light right here. So this is a 3rd gen, so there is a button right here. So we're going to go ahead and open them up. And then you're going to see the green light, of course, because it's looking to connect. And we're going to hold down this button right here on the back until you see it change to white. So I'm going to tell you when. So I'm going to go ahead and hold it down. You're going to see it blink orange. So keep on holding. I'm still holding down the button. And there we go. As you can see, it's blinking orange. You can let go of the button. Now it's green again. So what I recommend from here, just close them again. And now open up your iPhone again or unlock it. And then bring it near. So we're going to hold it like this. And it's going to show up like the first time when you first connected to them. And you're going to see it show up again like if it was the first time. And sometimes it takes a few seconds. If you can unlock your iPhone and retry. There we go. There it is. As you can see, it says AirPods. So we're going to click on Unlock to connect because let me go ahead and unlock my iPhone. There we go. It's connecting again and setting it back up to my Apple ID. And there we go. As you can see, it says AirPods, the battery percentage, and the case. So now they're factory resetted. So now when you close it, there we go. As you can see, it's green. And it already renamed them for me. It says Alex's AirPods. And the light is green again. So we open them up. There you go, it's green. And that's pretty much it. That's how to factory reset your AirPods. So again, it started fresh. If it wasn't working right or something was a bit off with your AirPods, I highly recommend you do this. It's really easy, and it usually helps reset any issues on the AirPods. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye!